How to use baking soda for yeast infection. Is baking soda good for yeast infection? It is alkaline in nature, and thus changes the vagina's acidic nature temporarily to higher alkaline in which the candida can't survive in. It balances the pH levels of the body. It works as a great anti-fungal agent that dehydrates and kills the fungus or yeast. Baking soda sucks enzymes and water content from the fungus, and leaves the microorganism dehydrated. Baking soda discourages the further growth of microorganisms, and helps to keep the skin clean as well as dry. How to use baking soda for yeast infection. Apart from trying out the baking soda remedies, you have to include probiotics in your daily diet to control and prevent the infection from inside. The number of bacterial strains present in probiotics colonize your body with good bacteria, and keep the bad bacteria like Candida albicans under control. 1. Baking soda bath. A baking soda bath also relieves you from the external itching and other symptoms. Add 1 cup of baking soda in your bathtub with warm water. Stir it well, and soak yourself for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to dry your skin thoroughly with a clean cloth afterwards. This process is also effective in treating yeast infection in pregnant women. For more effective relief, add baking soda in a salt bath. Repeat twice a week. 2. Baking soda with hydrogen peroxide. This process is very useful in treating oral yeast infection. Mix hydrogen peroxide, 3%, in 2 tablespoons of baking soda to make a paste. Use this as antifungal toothpaste to brush your teeth. Or you can also brush your teeth with baking soda and sea salt. 3. Baking soda with lemon juice. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this paste in 1 glass of water and drink. After 15 to 20 minutes, consume 1-2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Follow this process regularly. 4. Baking soda douche. Sodium bicarbonate douche helps to eliminate the yeast cells. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda in 4 cups of warm water. Stir it well, and use this mix as a douche to clear the vaginal area. Or you can fill baking soda on empty gelatin capsule, and insert this in a tampon which you put into your vagina. Make sure that both of these baking soda douching treatments are done continuously twice a week for 2 weeks. 5. Baking soda as tooth powder. After eating, brush your teeth with baking soda. Rinse your mouth with a mix prepared from 1/2 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Replace your toothbrush once you recover to prevent the infection in future. 6. Baking soda with maple syrup. Add 5 tablespoons of organic maple syrup into a pan on mild heat. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of baking soda in it until it turns gooey. Remove from the heat and allow the mix to cool. Eat this mix 3 times a day for 2 weeks, and then twice a day for 4 weeks. Tips and precautions. Follow these tips and precautions while using baking soda as a yeast infection treatment for safe and quick relief from yeast infection. Baking soda may increase the vaginal pH levels, and makes the yeast happier and grow more. So, don't use this too often. Always remember to dry your skin, especially genitals, after using any of the baking soda baths. If you're on a sodium-restricted diet, then don't apply these baking soda methods. Pregnant women and people with high blood pressure and heart problems should consult their doctor before using these baking soda remedies. People who take drugs or consume alcohol should not use these detox baths. If the infected area turns red and irritated after application of baking soda, then discontinue the process. Keep the yeast-infected area dry and clean to avoid spreading the infection. Remember not to use any concentrated solution or chemical products on sensitive areas of the body such as the private parts. Wash the infected person's clothes separately to prevent the infection from spreading. Drink plenty of water to flush out toxins from the body. You can also use a baking soda enema by adding 2 teaspoons of baking soda in 2 quarts of water and warm it to 103 F. Use this mix along with table salt or sea salt to get rid of the infection. If you didn't find any relief from this yeast infection after trying these baking soda methods, then consult your doctor for immediate diagnosis and treatment.